Looking to soar into 2025 with the ultimate DJI drone. Whether you're a content creator, aerial photographer, or just a tech enthusiast, choosing the right drone can make or break your flying experience. DJI continues to dominate the drone market with cutting-edge tech. But with so many models out there, picking the perfect one can feel overwhelming. In this guide, we'll break down the best DJI drones for 2025, highlighting their standout features, performance, and why they're worth your investment. From compact powerhouses to pro-level filmmaking rigs, we've got the insights to help you avoid buyer's remorse and find the drone that fits your needs. Don't hit that buy button yet. Read on to discover which DJI drone will take your adventures to new heights.
Number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a powerhouse for aerial enthusiasts, blending professional-grade features with user-friendly design. From a user's perspective, its standout feature is the triple-camera system, led by a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor that captures stunning 20-megapixel stills and 5.1K video at 50 FPS. The ability to switch between wide, medium, and telephoto lenses offers unmatched versatility, whether you're shooting expansive landscapes or detailed close-ups. Flying it feels smooth, with a 43-minute flight time that lets you focus on creativity without constant battery swaps. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance gives confidence in tight spaces, though it can feel overcautious in open areas, occasionally interrupting shots. Users love the cinematic quality of the footage, enhanced by 10-bit D-Log for post-production flexibility. However, the weight, around 958 grams, makes it less portable than smaller models, and the price tag stings for hobbyists. The controller's intuitive interface, paired with a reliable 15 km transmission range, ensures you stay connected, but some users note the app can lag on older phones. Storage is another consideration. 5.1K files eat up space fast, so invest in high-capacity micro SD cards. For professionals or serious creators, the Mavic 3 Pro's image quality and flight stability are hard to beat, but casual users might find it overkill for simple vlogs or travel shots.
Number 4. DJI Neo Best Budget. The DJI Neo is a game-changer for budget-conscious drone enthusiasts, offering impressive features at an accessible price point. As a user, the first thing you notice is its lightweight 135G design, making it ultra-portable and exempt from many registration requirements. Despite its size, it delivers 4K video at 30 FPS, which looks surprisingly sharp for casual vlogs or social media content. The 18-minute flight time is modest, but sufficient for quick shoots, and the USB-C charging is a nice touch for on-the-go users. Its AI-powered quick shots, like Droney and Helix, are a hit for beginners, automating dynamic shots with minimal effort. However, the lack of advanced obstacle avoidance means you'll need to fly carefully in cluttered environments. The 6-kilometer transmission range is solid for its class, but windy conditions can challenge its stability due to its light frame. Users appreciate the intuitive DJI Fly app, though some report occasional connectivity hiccups with budget smartphones. The Neo's 1/2-inch sensor performs well in daylight, but struggles in low light, producing grainy footage. For the price, the value is undeniable, especially for new pilots or content creators dipping their toes into aerial videography. The foldable design slips into a pocket, and the propeller guards add peace of mind for novices. While it lacks the pro-level features of pricier models, the Neo's balance of affordability, portability, and quality makes it a fantastic entry-level choice for capturing life's moments from above.
Number 3. DJI Mini 4K.
The DJI Mini 4K is a compact marvel that brings 4K video to the sub-250G category, perfect for users who want quality without complexity. From a user's perspective,
Its 249G weight is a major draw, dodging many regulatory hassles while still packing a punch with crisp 4K 30 FPS footage. The 2.3-inch CMOS sensor delivers vibrant colors and decent dynamic range, ideal for daylight travel vlogs or outdoor adventures. With a 31-minute flight time, it outlasts many competitors in its class, giving you ample time to nail the perfect shot. The 10-kilometer transmission range feels reliable, though real-world conditions like urban interference can cut it down. Beginners love the one-tap quick shots for cinematic flair, but the absence of full obstacle avoidance means you'll need to stay vigilant. Wind resistance is decent for its size, but strong gusts can make it wobble. The controller is ergonomic, and the DJI Fly app is straightforward, though some users find the interface cluttered on smaller screens. Low light performance is a weak point, with noticeable noise in dusk or indoor settings. Storage needs are moderate, but 4K files still demand a good microSD card. For travelers or casual creators, the Mini 4K's portability and ease of use are huge pluses. It folds down small enough for a backpack, and the automated return-to-home feature adds safety. While not a pro-grade drone, its balance of quality, simplicity, and affordability makes it a go-to for hobbyists wanting stunning aerials without breaking the bank. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact powerhouse that elevates the sub-250-gram category with pro-level features, making it a favorite among users who crave versatility. Its 1.3-inch CMOS sensor captures 4K 60 frames ps video and 48 megapixel stills, delivering vibrant, detailed footage even in challenging light. The 34-minute flight time is generous, letting you experiment with shots without rushing. Users rave about the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a rarity in this weight class, which makes navigating tricky environments like forests or urban areas stress-free. The 20-kilometer 04 transmission range is a standout, maintaining a crystal-clear feed over long distances, though real-world performance dips in busy signal areas. ActiveTrack 360° is a game-changer for solo creators, smoothly following subjects for dynamic vlogs. The controller feels premium, and the DJI Fly app is polished, though it can be finicky with older devices. Low-light performance is solid but not flawless, with some noise in very dim conditions. The Mini 4 Pro's foldable design fits in a pocket, perfect for travelers, and its lightweight build skips many registration requirements. However, the small size can struggle in high winds, and the price is steep for a mini drone. Storage needs are significant with high-res files, so a large micro SD is a must. For content creators or enthusiasts who want pro-grade features in a portable package, the Mini 4 Pro is a near-perfect blend of power, portability, and ease, though budget users might hesitate at the cost. Number 1. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is the pinnacle of consumer drones in 2025, offering cutting-edge tech that thrills advanced users and professionals alike. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor delivers jaw-dropping 5.4K video at 60 FPS and 20 MP photos, with exceptional clarity and dynamic range, even in low light. The 45-minute flight time is a godsend for long shoots, and the 15 km 04 transmission ensures a rock-solid connection across vast distances. From a user's perspective, the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance feels like a safety net, letting you focus on creative shots in complex environments. The adjustable aperture offers unmatched control over exposure, perfect for cinematic storytelling. ActiveTrack 5 is incredibly precise, tracking fast-moving subjects with ease, though it can occasionally lose lock in crowded scenes. The controller's sleek design and bright screen make operation a breeze, but the drone's 900-gram weight feels bulky compared to minis. The DJI Fly app is robust, but can overwhelm new users with its feature depth. Storage demands are high, with 5.4K files requiring hefty microSD cards or external drives. Portability takes a slight hit, but the foldable design still fits in a backpack. Users love the 10-bit HDR video for vibrant edits, though the price is a barrier for non-professionals. Wind resistance is excellent, and automated modes like master shots simplify complex sequences. For filmmakers, photographers, or serious hobbyists, the Mavic 4 Pro's unrivaled image quality and advanced features make it the ultimate tool for capturing breathtaking aerials, though its cost reflects its premium status.